from a driver who nearly crashed while trying to run a red light, to an idiot driver who decided to cross both lanes without looking, and much more. Here are 25 incredible fails caught on Dashcam. This is what happens when a Subaru comes at a BMW without looking.
Oh, Jesus. What the hell?
God damn.
What the
The BMW.
When the gas tanker started backing up, this FedEx van had nowhere to go. This driver learns to keep their distance when a semi-truck's tire bursts. This driver can't tell if the truck was trying to pass them or hit them. This driver kept going even though the bicyclist had the right of way. This driver must have been in a rush to get in the right lane. When two drivers both run the same red light, things take a turn. This driver signals before merging, and then the black car decides to go right ahead. This driver thought a hunk of cardboard wouldn't stand a chance against their bumper. This driver was reminded why it's always important to stay alert, even in traffic. This driver's morning commute almost came to an end when the black car crossed two lanes without looking. This driver learns to not only signal, but look before changing lanes. Truck forgets to look before turning, surprising the driver behind them. The blue car learns why it should always yield at an intersection. When the car in front suddenly makes a U-turn, this driver nearly causes a major collision. This driver is surprised to learn they're in the giant semi-truck's blind spot.
Oh! Oh! Wow.
The driver behind learns to take it easy on a wet road at night. this impatient driver can't wait and causes a multi-car collision. This person was pulling up to a red light when the car behind them rear-ended them. Good thing they had cameras.
No! No! They're coming back, right?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. No! No! They're coming back, right?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
This driver blows through not only the light but the center island as well.
On the board and the menu.
It's fair to say the driver of this Lamborghini regrets taking it out in the rain.
Baby! Holy f***, car is that?
That's a freaking Lamborghini.
You're kidding
He
me.
lost control in the freaking rain.
This driver watches the car in front spin out on the highway. This driver flees the scene of a major accident. Will they get away?
Wat so ding was onderstaan te verduidelik hoekom hy nie persoonlik verantwoordelik gehou moet word vir die verkeerdelike afdanking van die 8 joernaliste nie. Dis die tekenaar van ons links bedryfsbesluit gekritiseer het by die SABC se bedryfshoofpas. Sina Venter is later oorlede met haar familie wat sê sy het aan 'n afval gelei wat vererger is nadat sy doodstryd geneem ontvang het. Solidariteit se Antie van der Bijl sê dis deel.
Guys, stop him.
We'll argue that this was full part of the cross-the-border arguments and the decision that the court must make. She was on a lot of stress due to the decision made by we say Mr. Fladenix.
Die saak is uitgestel tot die 6de September. Maatskaplike ontwikkelingsminister Batabile Dlamini verdedig haarself.
This driver gets rear-ended so hard by the car behind that they rear-end the car in front.
Carefully curated mutation process not only prevented Oregon from becoming an idiot, but potentially and arguably made him a little bit smarter than he was before. Add on to that he remained fiercely loyal to the cause, not ever even seeing himself as a mutant, but simply.
That's all for today. Click the video on screen now for more Dashcam moments. As always, we'll see you in the next one.